Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today we are going to undertake an analysis that should Japan host Olympics during the corona times or not. This analysis is important because it has a lot of economic repercussions, but we need to come out with the solution that whether the cost which we need to pay for this Olympics, will it be far outweighing than the benefits or not. So we will look into the cost factor, benefit factors, and will arrive at a conclusion whether this Olympics should be held or not. We will ask readers to share their comments so that the world community knows about the feelings of Indians as a whole. So approximately $25 billion and 10 years of preparation has gone into getting this Olympics hosted, which was to be hosted last year but was cancelled / postponed due to coronavirus wave. So we see that there are a lot of economic benefits to host nation if Olympics is held, and that is why there is a lot of bidding and lot of pressure from fellow countries to support each other to get a particular country get the nomination for hosting the Olympics. It is a prestige issue if you are able to get to host the Olympics. As a nation, India, we have still not got this ability to host the Olympic nations, and we have not been provided this opportunity so far. Last we held was main event Asian Games, that too was in 80s. Thereafter we held Commonwealth Games, etc. However, we are now competent to hold the Olympics because we have grown as a nation. So India as a nation is not lagging behind in holding Olympics, and soon we will see that we are also getting this nomination, and we can feel proud of it. Now Japan is planning that they will prepare the biosecure bubble, but first of all, let us see that what all benefits they get if they hold the Olympics. Foreign visitors will be spending money, which will be giving impetus to their economy. They will be getting the ticketing revenue. They will be getting the broadcasting rights revenue. And most important, Japan will be getting promoted as a tourism hub. As we are aware that due to corona, all the economies are down in the recession, and Olympics can be a big booster for the Japan economic growth. However, remember that the government of Japan is saying that they will be undertaking this Olympics in a biosecure bubble, which means that athletes may not be allowed to intermingle with the civilian crowd, which also means that we will be seeing this Olympics being held without the spectators. So in such a scenario, International Olympic Committee gets the maximum benefit because they get the maximum benefit through the ticketing revenue, broadcasting rights, etc. So now we come to the major danger. As of now, we are aware that this second wave / third wave of corona is in progress, and this coronavirus mutant is modifying itself, and we might find a new mutant strain, which we may later on call it as Japanese mutant strain. So are we ready for it? So if we look at the benefits versus the repercussions which we may have, we will suggest to Japan not to hold the Olympics for the betterment of the whole world. However, seeing the status in Japan, we feel that they will be going ahead with the Olympics despite the warnings. However, this video may be taken as a warning that we might be seeing a new mutant strain of corona after the Olympics. So it is with due respect to Japanese credentials, we will ask them not to hold this Olympics, and if required, get it postponed by further 1 year till the time the situation is under control. There is no point fighting with the pandemic and giving it a chance to prosper. If you like our video, we'll request you to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and do remember we are the tips providers in Indian stock market and cover bank nifty, stocks and commodity tips. We look forward to your association with us. The links for the same will be given in the description box. Thank you.